Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems here in Lecanto, Florida, home of the Access Point patented heat exchangers and the Blue Baron truck mounts. And these are really beautiful machines. As you can see, this is a fully finished 47XL. And it's got the Access Point heat exchanger. It's high pressure. This can get up to 3,000 pounds pressure. The tolerance of these coils far exceeds the expectations. Most manufacturers have that cheap copper and tube and fin. Usually it won't withstand more than 1,200 on the PSI rating. And we're doing this comparison to show you the cheaper of the models, which is the Economy 36, which we sold a lot of. It actually uses the same frame base as the 47, as you can see. The only difference is we have the high rise of panels, infrastructured. There's a little bit more time that goes into these units for the 47. So it takes on a box-shaped 30 by 41 inches. It fits in there really nice in most vans and box trucks and trailers. As you can see, again, the skirting is the same. And everything is done to the T. We use all stainless flex hose and fittings. Our high pressured heat exchanger will get over 3,500 pounds pressure rated. These systems, this one here will do 2,000. So this is an Economy 36. It has a 3L blower, so you're going to get 350 feet of vacuum hose versus 600 on this Brute over here, which has the big blocks, 37 horse, and then you have the 670 22 Predator. But we also use Kohler and Honda engines. It depends on which scale of pricing that you want to get into. So we do allow a lot of leeway as far as, the choice of what engine that you want. Predominantly, we've been using the Kohler for the last 19 years as a builder. All stainless headers, look at that. Is that beautiful or what? AR pumps, last step injection, drains for the fluid, for the oil, the oil that's in your manifold of your pump, as well as a crankcase. So we got a drain hose there as well. Accessory for both pump out and demand pump, 12 volts. Just everything is just beautifully laid out, easy to get into, all the same size belts, the BX30s, and they're cog belts, so we don't have the high failure direct drive type couplers, those Lovejoys. And as I say, when they break, they do take the love and joy out of your day. You don't need any downtime. You want something that's easy breathe, easy fix, runs great, top components. We use the Kohler engine, and as well as the Honda, as well as the Predator engine. But this happens to be the big block, and we make our frames so that they can take the small block and a big block engine. And as you can see, we have the post heater at the bottom. And the important thing about that is that it's post primary, which is your primary heater. There's no impedance to flow. There's no intermixing between the vacuum system and the heat exchanger system. We take a lot of pride in how we do these units, and by trying to save space, sometimes you end up with a situation where you have cancellation of heat, a lot of backup pressure on the valves of your engine and the gaskets, the head gaskets, as well as the piston rings. So that you want this engine to run nice and free, limited backup pressure, and be able to produce excellent heat through our Access Point heat exchangers. One thing I wanted to say is these heat exchangers are widely used across the industry. For the ProChem, discontinued 405s and Bruins were the only ones in the world that actually use this patented heat exchanger to the point where we can actually help people with their ProChem truck mounts. So we've been in the industry for a long time. We're well known on the search engines. You can see our testimonials. And one other thing I wanted to say is, like I said, the difference between the low-end machine, which is really a high-end for most, in comparison to most truck mount manufacturers. I hate to use that terminology. I like to just say that It has all the same framework, the same high quality, quarter plate. It's got everything. And it's got the same footprint. But like I said, according to price, if you want to get into a cheaper model, which is a less inexpensive, I like to use that terminology, you're going to get into a smaller blower with a 36, which is like a Roots 36, which is a 3LS blower, Sudafed, Gardner Denver family, really good pull, really good, zero differential across the way here. We use straight pipe convention. So a lot of these manufacturers will cut back the inlet, which really starves the unit, and you don't want that. The same thing with this. You've got a 3-inch coming in. You never want to starve your blower. If it was 3 inches going in, then that's the way you have to keep it. So we have excellent dry times. These truck mounts are very, very easy to install. They have 3/16 brackets at the bottom, so it makes it a real sturdy install. Our acoustic silencer will get you into those noise-sensitive areas where you require to have some dampening of those high decibels of your blower. So this will take you to all different types of jobs. And the most important thing is the working pressure. Most of these manufacturers will build units that will usually not be able to take more than 1,200. They deliberately cap off the high-pressured system, knowing that if they went any higher, that they would blow their cheap copper tubing. This is all heavy-walled stainless, 3,500 pounds pressure-rated. Heat exchangers, got one on the bottom here, identical to the one on the 47. And the headers are pretty much the same, all stainless, 304 to 316, TIG welded, polished, beautiful units, well laid out, easy to figure out, easy to change out belts. You've got the pushback right here to adjust the tension, as well as your angular adjuster right on the side. So it's a real easy install of your belts. You're not going to have a situation where you're going to struggle with those louvered covers that trap in heat but make your whole world a maintenance nightmare. You want to be able to come in and come out. If you break a belt, which is in most cases you'll always have a pre-warning, with the couplers you don't get that warning. And so I'm just let you know that we're here to answer any of your questions. We have our truckmountstore.com 24/7. Look in the full menu of different truck mounts. They're all basically the same except for the engine and the blower. Now we have an extended version of the Economy 36. We can also go into an upgrade to a 22 GX90, 690 Honda engine. So if you decide you don't want the Predator, we can switch it out and adjust the price accordingly. But either way, these Predator engines really run very, very good and very easy to maintain. And as you can see, we go all out on our quality of our parts in fabrication. And they all have a little bypass knob here. There's a lot of units out there, a lot of manufacturers use the same thing. We keep the circulation going in the system so you get nice regulation, good heat signal, and minimal downtime when you do a thermal dump. So when that water gets hot, and according to the way we set this setting on the thermostat, it will trigger the 12 volts, and then of course as the water circulates, goes into that water box and comes back through the system, it's going to shut the thermostat down. You do not want an elongated dump cycle where you're trying to get working pressure to come back up. You want this to regulate perfectly. So literally you could run this thing all day, absentee, providing you got plenty of gasoline and it's in an overhang, so you don't want it to be rained on. But if you're in a protective setting, you could run this thing all day and it'll never overheat. It'll just keep recycling and doing what it's going to do as far as temperature regulation. Very safe units, easy to work on. We got all the accessory lines here. We got the accessory lines. We got the same thing. This guy wanted a double accessory, so we put that in there for him. In this case, he wanted a vacuum gauge, so we put the vacuum gauge on. We got the smaller pod, but like I said, for the extension of the larger extended, it will be another one of these that will come off the top. There won't be any bottom, but like I said, these are attractive units either way. And if you decided you wanted a 105-gallon Aquabaron tank subwell, what we do is we can place either one of these units or even the compact series on top of the freshwater tank. So you'll have a constant flow of fresh water. And also it's got a built-in demand pump. So look us up online at truckmountstore.com 24/7. Again, this is the 37, just to recap it, 37 horse big block with a 4LS blower capable of 600 feet of hose. The 22 horsepower Predator engine running a 3LS, which is equal to a 36 roots. It's in the Gardner Denver family of blowers, PD blowers. And either way, you'll be very impressed with the performance of these units. Call us today at 727-505-2989. Look us up online at truckmountstore.com 24/7. And you will be amazed by the performance of these units. Thank you.